Hey everybody, so I thought I'd make a video. A while back I got the Fantik, what is this, Nex E1 Max. This is the little powered screwdriver that Fantik makes, and it comes with all these different sorts of bits. So the screwdriver on this is a little weak, so I picked up the Nex E2 Ultra from Fantik. It's supposed to have a more powerful screwdriver, so I thought we'd unbox it and take a look at the similarities and the differences. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Alright everybody, so like I said, here's our Fantik Nex 1 Max. Like I said, it's kind of a nice screwdriver to have. It's got all these different bits, right? And like I said, the let's see if I turn this to 1. The drill is, you know, the what do you want to call it? The drill, whatever. Driver is alright. The bits are pretty decent. Like I said, I saw this, the new one, the Nex E2 Ultra, and I thought we would try this out. So let's get in here. And yes, we're at the lab today. We're cooking in the lab. I got another project that I'm going to work on today. You guys might remember it. It's my ESP32 weather station. We're going to go ahead and try and get that fixed too. So let's get this unboxed. I like their packaging and their boxing. It's pretty nice. Let's see. What's this? Some kind of USB cord. Yeah, USB-C, little short cord. That's what came in that little bag. What else we got here? What else? I don't know if this has more. Ooh, I don't know if this has more bits or not than the original, but we're gonna take a look here. You see? Oh, I got the red one. I like the red one better. It's kind of like a maroon or a crimson. Okay, what's this say? Fanttik. Okay. It's just to hold it all together. It kind of came unpopped in the packaging. Won't be needing that where we're going. Press area. So they're showing you just to press around here. Okay, we got it. It's just like the other one. This one looks a little cooler. I'm going to save this sticker for something. Press area. We'll figure out where to put that. Let's set that right over here. Okay. Alright. So, interesting. Okay. So, we've got our driver and our bit set. Oh, look, we even got a little bit of some kind of foam in there. There's a little tip. I don't know, for tweezers maybe? I think the last one had tweezers. Oh, look, it rotates. You guys see that? That's pretty cool. I did not know that it rotated. Alright, so let's set this aside. Got our driver. And we'll pull out our original. Alright. So you can see the difference. Okay, put these two side by side. We'll move the case out of the way. Alright, so it's definitely a little longer, a little bigger. And the controls are a little bit different. We've got some dots here instead of, this one's got 3 positions. It's got like, I don't know, lock. I think that's what it is. L and H, low and high. So They both have lights on them, I'm assuming. Let's go turn this one to 1. Alright, and then our low and then high. Can't really notice the difference. How do we do this one? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 settings. And let's go to 1. Okay, let's listen to them together. I'll put them up by my microphone. Okay, and that's on high for that one. So this is on the lowest setting and lowest setting. It's heavier. It's got some more weight to it. Alright, you guys see that? There's like a light there. That's kind of neat. I don't know if that's for battery charge or what. Okay, 2. Oh, look at that. When you're... Oh, those are like... Those are the settings. Cool. They kind of changes from like blue to violet. You guys see that? So then the question is the bits. What do we got for the bits? We've got, let's move it all the way. Wow, there's... Oh, I can just keep circling around and around and around. Alright. I've got a little something I've been working on at work here for these what we call data timing cards. I made a little fan to go over the FPGAs on the board. So let's see if we can find... It's an Allen bit. Let's look here. Security. There's all sorts of special bits. Tri-wing screwdrivers ought to be perfect for Nintendos. We got triangle screws. We got some kind of other security screws. Some pluses and some minuses. These are the Allens here. Let's see which one fits. This is a 1.5 millimeter, I think it is. Hex 1.5. That's it. I knew it was 1.5 because I ordered the screws. Alright. So, it's magnetic. Let's put it on the lowest setting here. And I'm assuming, yeah, back is reverse, and forwards is up is forwards. Okay, so we're gonna go backwards. Oh. That works pretty good. This definitely has more stones than the other guy. This might actually be usable. Okay, and let's go put them back in. I just didn't want to take out the last one here. Oh, it's got a torque control. That's kind of cool. So let's turn it up one and see if the... It's kind of neat. I like that it has torque control. That way you can't just ram her home. Okay. Oh, and it totally stops once it hits where it's going. This other hole might have been a little tighter, but anyways, let's get in there, and okay, sweet. Well, I have to say that this is definitely an upgrade. It's about the same price. I think it was 65 or 70, I forget. But look at all the, I mean, I'm trying to think. This has got, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 50, plus a spudger. I swear I was supposed to have some tweezers in there somewhere. But yeah, it looks like there's like 50 bits. And if we go here, there's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. The spudger, and yeah, this one does have tweezers in it. See? It's got tweezers. And this also had, so that's what this was. It's a little condom for the tweezers. So we just shove that back in here. So it has the same amount, but the this guy is bigger, and looks like it has some more torque settings. Let's get this back in here. Let me set that aside. We will put this back in here. Click. And then this guy just, we'll make sure we're in the off, there we go, off position. It just slides down in there and then magnetically holds in. And it's the same with our other guy here. We just slide this in. Slide that in. Like I said, they also give you a USB plug too. Hang on a second. Alright, so my final thoughts. They're basically like the same price as the second generation. I bought this when it first came out. It's pretty good. It's been pretty handy. I just kind of throw it in the back of my truck. But now I can have one in my truck and one at home or here at work. So if, and I'm not, by the way, I'm not sponsored by Fanttik at all. I just really like their products. It's, it's aluminum, it's metal, and I really like it. All of their products have been great so far, the different ones I tried, except the soldering iron, which is real disappointing. Now, I think I might buy another one. So we might try that out again and see how it works. Mine just overheated. It turned the tips cherry red, which ain't right. So, but anyways, that's it. I think this is a valuable tool to have, especially if you work on small electronics and stuff like that. So if you're looking for something that's compact and it's got a nice little driver, I would recommend it. Go check it out. So, all right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. All right. Easy. Okay.